Welcome students. Today we are going to start session 6 of chapter 1 sets of class 11th mathematics. So we'll start with the practical problems or on union and intersection of two sets. So when A and B are disjoint sets, okay, when A and B are disjoint sets, then there is no common elements between these two. Okay, मैं हाइलाइटर से मार्क कर रहा हूँ ए और बी में कोई भी कॉमन एलिमेंट्स नहीं है सो इन दैट केस एन ऑफ ए यूनियन बी विल बी इक्वल्स टू एन ऑफ ए एंड प्लस एन ऑफ बी राइट एन ऑफ ए प्लस एन ऑफ बी now let us take the case when there is an intersection between these two okay so see this part the intersection part and this is a minus b all elements of a which do not belongs to b and this is b minus a all elements of b which does not belongs to a right so from the given Venn diagram it is clear that all the sum of all these three 1 2 3 that is a minus b a intersection b and b minus a together they will form a union b okay and these all three sets are disjoint sets now what will be in n of a in union b n of a minus b okay n of a minus b and n of a intersection b and n of b minus a right okay now see the yellow shaded portion this is the set a complete set a and this is the combination of a minus b and a intersection b so we can write n of a equals to n of a minus b plus n of a intersection b ठीक है दोनों को मिला के if we combine these two we'll get complete set a ठीक है a minus b और a intersection b को हम लोग अगर combine करते हैं तो we'll get complete a set right so we come to the conclusion that n of a minus b plus n of a intersection b is equals to n of a right now let us move towards the b side right now see the blue shaded portion if we add a intersection b and b minus a then we will get full b set okay so we come to the conclusion that n of b minus a right plus n of a intersection b that is equals to n of b right now coming to n of a union b what we are going to do that we are going to subtract and add n of a intersection b ठीक है यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे मैंने add और subtract किया है this one n of a intersection b adding and subtracting right now we are making the pair this is the first pair and that is equals to n of a and this is the second pair that is also equals to n of b now we are going to replace these two by n of a and n of b so we got the formula n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b right so this is the formula for any sets a and b this is the proof of actually this formula n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b okay now let us take the case of three sets अब ये थ्री सेट्स में ये जो शेडेड पोर्शन है दिस इज द शेडेड पोर्शन ओके जिसको मैं येलो से हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ दैट इज ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी द कॉमन पोर्शन ऑफ ऑल द थ्री सेट्स राइट नाउ सी द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड n of a union b union c we are going to derive the formula okay so we are going to use the previous formula यहाँ पे a union b जो है वो that is a one set and c is another set okay so if we apply the formula of two sets formula okay two sets so we'll get a n of a union b plus n of c minus n of A union B intersection C. ओके यहाँ पे फॉर ये जो ब्लू अंडरलाइन है उसमें हम लोग फॉर्मूला यूज किए. नाउ अगेन if we apply the formula for this one, n of A union B, the previous formula, then we will get n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. And now this is the next part. यहाँ पे हम लोग फॉर्मूला यूज किए. अब ये वाले पार्ट में जो अभी अंडरलाइन किया हूं मैं, उसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ अप्लाई करेंगे. We will apply the distributive law, so we get this one. Okay, now see carefully this distributive law. See carefully this one, this the underlined part, right? So we are going to again apply the previous formula, जो अभी इससे पहले जो दो सेट वाला फॉर्मूला पढ़े. सो विल टेक A इंटरसेक्शन C one set and B intersection C other set. So n of first set plus n of second set minus n of first set intersection second set. Okay, now what is A intersection C intersection B intersection C? A intersection B intersection C, right? तो ये वाला जो बॉक्स में जो आया वो इस ये जो मैं जो अभी बता रहा था, this is the what we get if we apply the previous formula, right? Now see carefully the third last part. I told you just now the last part will become plus. If you open the bracket, this will become minus and this will become plus. Okay, so I'm going to rearrange this one. See carefully, this A intersection C intersection B intersection C will become n of A intersection B intersection C. So this is the arrangement, n of A plus n of B plus n of C. सारे प्लस को एक तरफ कर लिए, सारे माइनस को एक तरफ कर लिए within the bracket. So we got the formula for any, this is the proof of this formula. N of A intersection A union B union C is equals to n of A plus n of B plus n of C plus n of A intersection B intersection C minus of the sum of all these three, n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection C. So this is the formula for three sets. Just before this we have seen the formula for two sets. Okay, now we are going to start the first question of the next exercise, that is exercise 1.6. Now see what is given, that n of x is equals to 17 and n of y is equals to 23 and n of x union y is equals to 38. Now we have to find n of x intersection y. So we are going to use the two set formula. Okay, according to that, n of x union y is equals to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So we are going to substitute all these values. Substitute करने के बाद हम लोग को ये मिलेगा. Now what we will do, we will shift n minus of n x intersection y to left hand side. So sign will change. जब हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट करेंगे तो माइनस है तो वहां पे जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. Similarly, we'll shift 38 to that side and the sum of 17 and 28 will become what? 40. So 40 minus 38 is equals to 2. This is the answer for n of x intersection y. Okay, now let us move towards the second question. This is the second question. If x and y are two sets such that x union y, that is n of x union y is equals to has 18 elements equals to 18 and x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements. Okay, so what is given? N of x is equals to 8 because here it is given that the 8 elements. Okay, and n of y is given 15 and n of x intersection y is given 18. So we'll write first whatever the given values. ठीक है, उसके बाद now we are going to apply that formula, the previous what we wrote the formula in question number 1. So this is the formula. Now we are going to substitute the values, the corresponding values. Substitute कर दिए, same वही काम करेंगे. n of x intersection y को हम लोग left side shift करेंगे, so it will become plus and 8 plus 15 is 23. Similarly, we'll shift 18 to that side, so it will become minus 18. So answer is 5. Okay, So we have completed the second question. Now let us move towards the third question. Now in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. So we'll take one set for Hindi and another set for English, and group of 400 people. So total number of people is given for people is 400. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? So first we'll take sets. H will take sets for set for people who can speak Hindi, and we'll take E set of people who can speak English. Okay. Now N of H is 250, right? And N of E is 200, and N of H union E is 400. Now we are going to apply the formula of two sets. So this is the formula. Now we have to substitute the corresponding values. Substitute कर दिए, फिर से हम लोग को ये जो है, this one we have to shift left hand side, so it will become plus, and the sum of these two number is 250 plus 200 is 450, and we'll shift 400 to this side, so it will become minus. So final answer is 450 minus 400, that is equals to 50. So this is the final answer. Now we'll move towards question number 4. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements and T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have? So here, what is N of S? 21. What is N of T? 32. What is N of S intersection T? 11. That we are going to write first. Then we will write the formula. Then we will substitute the corresponding values. So 21 plus 32 minus 11. So we'll get 42. So this is the answer. Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 5. If X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements and X union Y has 60 elements and X intersection Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have? So what is given here? N of X, that is 40. Okay, and N of X is given, and N of X union Y is also given, that is 60, and N of X intersection Y is given 10. So we'll write first what are the given values. Okay, now we'll write the formula, and we are going to substitute the corresponding values. Now what we will do, uh, what is 40 minus 10? 30. That we will shift to this side. So 60 minus 30 will become 30. Okay. So how many elements does Y have? 30 elements. Right. Now we'll move towards question number 6. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. That means what is given? How many people like both coffee and tea? That means intersection we have to find. Okay, we'll take two sets first. C for coffee, T for capital T for set of people who like tea. Now N of C is given, what is 37, and N of T is given, that is 52, and what is 70? 70 is C union T. Okay, now we'll write the formula, and we are going to substitute the corresponding values. Now again, if we shift this to this side, यहाँ shift करेंगे left side में, N of C intersection T, it will become plus, and what is 37 plus 52? It will be 89. So 89 minus 70, that is 19 is the answer. Okay. So now we'll start question number 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket and 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? So first we'll take two sets. C is for people who like cricket, and T will take set of people who like tennis. Right? Now what is given? That first N of C is given, and N of C intersection T is given, and union is also given, that is 65 people, and we have to find first n of T, right? So first we'll write the formula and we'll substitute the corresponding values. Now we'll shift 40 to this side, 40 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो -40 हो जाएगा, और -10 को भी इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो +10 हो जाएगा. So we'll get 65 minus 40 plus 10, that is 35. Okay, so this is n of T. How many likes? 10 is. Now 10 is only, that means we have to subtract n of C intersection T. जो common है वो subtract करना पड़ेगा, right? So we'll get 25, right? And 25 people like tennis only and not cricket, and 35 people like tennis. That is n of T. Okay, now we'll start question number 8. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 people speak Spanish, and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? So here we'll take two sets first. We'll take F for a set of people who speak French, and S set of people who speak Spanish. So in the question it is given n of F is 50 and n of that is S 20, and 10 is n of F intersection S, the common one. So here we have to find again union. Okay, so we'll write first of all whatever the values is given. जो value दिया हुआ उसको पहले लिख लेते हैं. Now we'll write the formula लिखेंगे. Now we'll substitute the corresponding value. जो हम लोग values लिखे हैं उसको substitute करेंगे. So 50 plus 20 minus 10, it will be 60. So this is the answer. Okay, so now we are going to see one example of 3 sets. Okay, and this is textbook example number 34. ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन हम लोग दो मेथड से करेंगे. We'll solve this question by using two methods. So I'm reading this question. A college awarded 38 medals in football, 15 in basketball, and 20 in cricket. If these medals went to a total of 58 men and only 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports, how many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports? Okay, so first we'll write the sets. Let F, B and C denote the set of men who received medals in football, basketball, cricket. So F football के लिए लेंगे, B basketball के लिए लेंगे, C cricket के लिए. We can take A, B, C also. Okay, so now what is given? N of F is given, that is 38, and N of B is given, that is 15. Now 20, N of C is given 20, and what is given? That common is 3 men. Here it is given 3 men got medals in all the 3 sports. So F intersection B intersection C is equals to 3, and total of 58 men are there, so that is a intersection. तो यहाँ पे ये सारे values दिया हुआ है. Okay, so now we'll write the formula. This is the formula of 3 sets. Okay, so हम लोग फर्स्ट मेथड फॉर्मूला मेथड से करेंगे, और दूसरा जो मेथड है वो हम लोग वेन डायग्राम का पूरा यूज करेंगे, राइट? सो नाउ हियर we'll substitute all the values, whatever the values here it is we wrote here, जो हम लोग लिखे हैं वो सारे values हम लोग substitute करेंगे. Okay, and what is we are going to find the sum of all these 3. So all these are negative. If we shift this to this side, it will become plus. And what we are going to get? Total 38 plus 15 plus 20, that is and plus 3 also, then minus 58, will get total 18. Okay, now see, this is the this is the Venn diagram. यहाँ पे जो D है, right, जिसको मैं अभी हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ, the value of D means common of all these 3. the value of 3 is 3. Value of D is 3. Now let A denotes the number of men who got medals in football and basket. Okay, and so here D is equals to N of F intersection B intersection C is equals to 3. Now see A plus D जो है, what is that? A plus D, N of F intersection B, और B plus D क्या है? N of F intersection C, and C plus D is N of B intersection C. That is equals to 18. What we got in the previous slide. Okay. So here how many D's are coming? 3. उसको 3D means 3 into 3 9. So we'll subtract it from 18. So we will get the final answer 18. Okay. Hence 9 men got medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. So this is the formula method. Now we are going to use the method using only Venn diagram. Okay. So second method, the same question. Okay. So now here I am going to take 3 sets A, B and C. These are 3 sets, and I wrote all the portion with one alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G tak, right? So now see, let us denote the number of elements contained in bounded region by A to G as shown in that joining figure. Now see, A plus B plus C plus D, this is the set A belongs to football. तो फुटबॉल का सम क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ 38, and E plus B plus C plus F is given 15, that is also given in the question, that is 15. और क्रिकेट का भी जो दिया हुआ है, क्रिकेट का क्या क्या है, G, D, F और C, and this is equals to 20, and the sum of all the numbers is equals to 58, that is union. Okay, and one more value is given, that is the common part of all the 3, that is C. C is equals to 3, right? Okay, now we will add equation 1, 2, 3. So we'll get A plus E plus G plus 2B plus 2D plus 2F plus 3C is equals to 38 plus 15 plus 20 is equals to 73. अगर हम लोग इक्वेशन 1, 2, 3 को ऐड करेंगे तो ये वाला मिलेगा. ठीक है, right? Now see carefully. Now we are going to subtract all the sum from equation 5. तो उसमें देखो पूरा A B C D E F G यहाँ से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. कैंसिल होने के बाद हम लोग के पास बचेगा केवल B plus D plus F plus 2C, that is equals to 73 minus 58 is equals to 15. Okay, now what is the value of C? 3. 2 into 3 6. Okay, एक्चुअल में ये वाला जो पोर्शन जो येलो शेडेड पोर्शन है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. So B plus D plus F is equals to, first we'll substitute 2 into 3, that is 6, then we'll shift to that side. 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. So 9 is the answer. So ये वाला मेथड में हम लोग को कोई भी फॉर्मूला याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So the best is to use this method, because if you forget any one part of that formula, the 3 sets formula, so what will happen, क्या होगा कि पूरा गलत हो जाएगा, आप पूरा गलती कर देंगे. So that is why my suggestion is that whenever the 3 sets will come, use this Venn diagram method by taking all the alphabets for all the bounded regions. Okay, so this is the example number 34, and now I'm going to wind up the session, right? So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.